In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add song to Facebook profile. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then go to your profile by tapping at your profile picture. After that, tap at these three dots next to Edit Profile and then select Music. What that will do, that will show you all of your Facebook songs you have added to your profile, and once you find one you would like to add to your profile, you can just tap at three dots next to that song and then just tap at that pin icon. Now it says song has been pinned and we can go back to our profile. As you can see, this song has just been successfully added to our profile. That's how you can easily add song to your Facebook profile. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.